Hey, do you remember when you first encountered a fast food mascot? Do you know why they were created and who they target? If you're a fast food junkie, stay tuned because this video is for you. Hi, I'm VeRAWonica, and if you're new to this channel, and if you are interested in living a healthy lifestyle, watch until the end. I'm a life coach, meaning I help people shift to a positive mindset and switch to a healthier, high nutrient diet, or fuel style, as I like to call it, in order to manifest their goals. In today's video, I'm going to talk about fast food mascots and fast food in general, and how we can pick healthier choices from these fast food establishments. And I'll provide you with some tips for healthier fast food choices. The smiling characters like Ronald McDonald, Wendy, Burger King, and the great Root Bear were all created as strategic marketing tools to enhance brand identity and recognition, and most importantly, to cultivate customer loyalty and an emotional connection with their consumers, especially children. These masked mascots promote highly processed, calorie-dense foods that contribute to obesity, diabetes, and other health issues, particularly among children. So the reality behind these fun and friendly-faced mascots lies in their contribution to unhealthy eating choices and habits, as well as environmental damage. And so it's important to understand the impact they have on our health, wellness, and our planet. You know, most people think that French fries are vegan because they're made from potatoes. You would think this to be true. However, we can no longer take this at face value. Not only as a vegan, we must all start asking what the ingredients are in our food. What oil is it fried in? Are there any animal additives or flavors? Is there any dairy products added? Is there wheat or gluten in these fries? What percentage of the fries are made from potatoes? You would think all of it. However, almost all fast food fries are only 85% potato and 15% vegetable oil. These highly processed foods have many hidden additives, fillers, oils, salts, preservatives, GMOs, etc., that are intentionally added to fast food to increase our desire, enhance flavor and texture, and increase shelf life. One of the processes that McDonald's fries goes through is to partially fry them in a blend of oils, canola, corn, soybean, and hydrogenated soybean oil, all GMO oils by the way. And after that, they're blanched and frozen and then shipped to restaurants. So when McDonald's fries are ordered, they are again fried in the same oil blend. Did you get that? The fries are fried twice. Per McDonald's website, there are 19 ingredients in their French fries, and none of these ingredients are organic, and some are GMOs. Check out my video on organics and what are GMOs. So here's a list of McDonald's fry ingredients. Potatoes, before and after oils, canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil, hydrogenated soybean oil. Natural beef flavor. Did the vegans hear this? The vegans who think French fries are vegan, think again. Natural beef flavor also contains wheat and milk. Dextrose, which is sugar to maintain the golden French fry color, salt for flavor, sodium acid, pyrrose phosphate to maintain color of the potatoes, citric acid, which is a preservative, and dimethyl polysiloxane, which is an anti-foaming agent. The nutritional quality and value of fast foods is extremely low. They are high in calories, high in fats, high in sugar, high in sodium, and they can contribute to so many health issues, some of which I mentioned earlier. So what are some healthier choices that we can order from fast food restaurants when we're either eating in or taking out? So let's go over a few of them that are lower in fat and lower in calories. Number 1, opt for salads with fresh veggies. Skip the creamy dressings. Instead, choose a vinaigrette or an olive oil dressing, or go without a dressing. Number 2, choose a veggie grilled sandwich or wrap instead of meats and buns. Number 3, look for veggie sandwiches or wraps that include fresh, raw vegetables, hummus, or an avocado for a more nutritious meal. Number 4, substitute those fries with a fruit cup, a side salad, or veggie sticks as a side dish. Number 5, some fast food chains offer customizable Buddha bowls, which I love. They have a base of greens, quinoa, chickpeas, or brown rice, and usually topped with lots of veggies. Number 6, choose a nutritious plant burger over a traditional processed meat burger. Look for ingredients made from whole foods like beans, lentils, and veggies, and maybe even opt for a lettuce wrap instead of a bun. Number 7, choose plant-based vegan soups like carrot, squash, tomato over creamy dairy-based soups. Number 8, ask for gluten-free options in pastas, pizzas, and breads. And you're really in a rush and need some fast protein and an energy boost? Drink a green drink. Grab my ebook, Green is the New Black. By making these healthier choices, we can enjoy a meal out at a fast food restaurant or enjoy a takeout meal without sacrificing our health goals. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications like extra veggies or no cheese or dressing or sauce on the side in order to make our meals healthier. Skip the sugary drinks and milkshakes and sodas and sports drinks. Choose spring water instead. Watch out for supersizing and opt for smaller portions like kids' meals. And if you haven't yet, watch the movie Super Size Me. I think it's on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching this video. And if you would like to see more high-level nutrition for optimal health, mindset shifting manifestation strategies, and holistic hacks, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. I love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts and your questions in the comments below. I want to thank you again for watching this video. It means the world to me. And if you're interested in more transformational tips on how to live a delicious life, subscribe to my channel. I have a mini course on how to transition to a high nutrient diet in just 1 day. And I'm currently creating a 5-week course on how to change your game in life. Pre-registration is now open. All links and coaching information are in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my weekly raw news, which comes out every Monday. I'm VeRAWonica. See you in the next video and have a raw amazing day.